Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Friday, August 28th, 2026. Let's take a look at the chart. Start with the big picture. Sellable resistance long-term at 382.73. We settled below this formation 5 weeks ago, setting up the upper 220s, 228.24, as a realistic 3 to 5 month objective. So this rally, potentially up into the low 380s, has been counter-trend in nature following the testing of low 290 support. We'd mentioned how you could buy into the 290s. If you're a near-term swing trader, that has played out nicely. And in fact, we can push into the 382.73 area over the next week or two. In fact, I think we will. This kind of shows just a kind of a vicious head fake that occurred, Wednesday to Thursday. Wednesday, we closed below this channel bottom at 352.22, and then Thursday, we opened below it only to push back above it. We also closed above Wednesday's high. So this adds up to bullish continuation over the next couple of weeks or sooner to 382.73. And I say that because in my book, the rejection of a classic sell signal in this case is in itself a valid sign of strength. The market's basically saying not so fast. The emphasis remains to the upside. And I do think holding above, we're calling it now 345.82, which is the settlement price from Wednesday, the low settlement price following the high that was put out about a week earlier. Holding above 345.82, continued daily settlements above 345.82. We'll keep 382.73 in reach over the next week or two. On the way up, we have a channel top that will be converging with that area. I'm assuming by the time or around the time that we test this. There is this 362.86 level. That is the high settlement price from about a week ago. It can contain intraday, possibly daily highs. And these are the 2 points: buying 345.82, selling 362.86. But if we do close above 362.86, we are 3 to 5 days from pushing into this narrowing 377.79 to 382.73 region, where we can indeed top out through the rest of the year. If we were in the next couple of weeks, and I've been saying this, close above 382.73, I'm only then anticipating within a week or two 416.03, which is the descending top to the bottom that contained selling pressures about 5 weeks ago. 416.03, 382.73, the two narrowing gradually, converging entirely by the middle of October, can absorb buying through the rest of the year, and we can fall away from here through the rest of the year. If we were to close above 416.03 in the coming weeks, that is a key buy signal through the rest of the year and into the first quarter. The 550s then anticipated over the following 3 to 5 months. But until then, sellable resistance below which, or once tested, we can round off into the 228.24 region within 3 to 5 months. Let's talk downside again. 345.82 has bearing. If we do close below it, we're back on the bearish side of the dynamic, really. Closing below 345.82, 3 to 5 day sell signal to 5/8 Fibonacci at 323.78. And yes, I do think the 2 to 3 week outlook does allow the low 290s. I'm not as confident of that as I was before, but I do think if you're a 2 to 3 week swing trader and you're looking to go short, it's either waiting for the rally up into the low 380s to set that short position, or a mere settlement below 345.82. You may consider trimming some 3 to 5 days later at 323.78 because we could get a nice bounce here, but I do think we can fall all the way back into the 290s within 2 or 3 weeks, 3 to 5 weeks of closing below 345.82. The low 290s able to contain selling by that point in time through October, and if settled below, should then yield this longer-term support at 228.24 within another month or two. This is an area that can contain selling well into 27, possibly through all of 27. I think I've covered it all. I'm just kind of going through the charts here. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else to say. I'm going to leave it at that for Friday's Daily Tesla Report, and you have a great weekend.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity.
Start your 2-week free trial and trade with clarity from day one.